It's time now for Under the Hood with family-owned Walker Tire.
Squeaking, grinding, and rubbing are the three most common brake noises. Squeaking is fairly common among newer style brake pads and can actually indicate when to replace the pads.
Some brake pads have wear indicators or squeakers that make a high-pitched, constant squeal when the brakes have about 15 to 20% left. The squeak will normally stop when you apply the brakes.
Squeaks can also happen during wet, rainy periods. Moisture causes the metal fibers in the pads to rust, making the brakes squeak until the rust is rubbed off the pads.
A grinding noise or loud metal-to-metal sound is almost always bad. If you hear this type of noise, you can save yourself a more costly repair by driving as little as possible.
A rubbing noise, on the other hand, may be normal. The metal fibers I mentioned are actually molded into the semi-metallic pads, making some noise as the brake pads rub on the brake rotors.
If you hear a noise and you're not sure what it is, save yourself money by having the brakes checked.
Join us next week for another look under the hood, only on KPTM Fox 42 News at 9.